If your child is not learning future-ready skills, this conversation is for you. Let me say something that may sound controversial. I don't think we are in the STEM era anymore. I believe we are now in the stream era. And no, I'm not talking about going live on cameras or streaming on social medias. I am talking about science, technology, robotics, engineering, artificial intelligence, and mathematics. This is the world we are living in now. The world has changed. Everything is updating fast. The way we work, the way we learn, the way companies hire, the way businesses grow, even the way children need to be prepared for the future. And that is why I'm calling this generation, this stream generation, because if you really look around, the careers shaping the future are connected to these 6 areas. The 6 areas I mean, I mentioned them earlier: the science, the technology, robotics, engineering, artificial intelligence, and mathematics. This is no longer optional knowledge. This is where the world is moving. So whether you are choosing a course, learning a skill, sending your child to school, or preparing for a career, you have to start asking these questions. Does this connect to the future? Does this prepare me for where the world is going? These are the critical questions everyone who is thinking about the future, who is ready for the future, should be asking. Because in 2026, this is the year of updates. I call it the year of update because things are really changing fast. And the truth is, if what you are learning has no connection to these future-driven fields, you may be preparing for a life that will struggle to compete. That is the truth. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying that every single person must become a robotic engineer or an AI expert overnight. What I'm saying is this: if your education, your business, your career, or your child's learning has zero relationship with these 6 areas, then you need to pause and rethink. Yes, I say it again. You need to pause and rethink, because the future will reward people who can understand, who will adapt to this changing era we are, this changing truths we are, this changing precepts we are in, or or work alongside the systems. So, and for parents, this conversation is very important. If your children, you don't need to just raise them for the world you grew in. Raise them for the world they are entering. Expose them to technology. Teach them how to think. Teach them how to solve problems. Teach them how to create, how to, but not how to consume, because the future is not waiting for anybody. So yes, what I'm saying, and I'm saying it boldly, is that we are no longer in the STEM era. We are in the stream era. And the people who understand this early will have an advantage. And what do you think? Do you agree with me, or do you think I'm being too serious? Or do you think I'm just exaggerating? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more conversation like this, more conversation about the future of learning, more conversation about tech, about AI, and how to prepare yourself and your children, subscribe to my channel and let's talk.